sleeping masks like the Laneige Water Sleeping Mask EX belong to the category of products I haven't quite figured out yet. I mean, I know how to use them, but I don't know which slot in my routine they should fill. Face mask, moisturizer, something entirely different. The claims here are that it is a gel mask that deeply hydrates the skin overnight while absorbing quickly, and I am not sure how that is different from a regular moisturizer. If you have the explanation, please enlighten me in the comments. Lip sleeping mask, on the other hand, like the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask that I have in the flavor grapefruit, is something to easily figure it out. It is a lip balm but thicker, supposed to nourish the lips overnight. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Dr. Anne, a physician passionate about skincare and well aging. Let's start with the sleeping mask for the face though. The first thing I thought when I opened the jar was fresh. The baby blue color, the hint of ocean breeze when you sniff it, the cooling gel texture that is not at all tacky, at least not in the beginning. All that creates the illusion of a lightweight and refreshing product that would work well for summer. According to the website, the scent is actually not ocean breeze, which, now that I say it out loud, sounds like an air freshener, but a sleep scent with sandalwood, orange flower and rose, but I don't really get any of these notes or would associate it with sleep. Just like a moisturizer would, the sleeping mask goes on last in your nighttime routine after you did the rest of your skincare and stays there overnight. It is easy to spread, but it gets a little tacky when it starts to sink in. That only lasts for a couple of minutes though, after that it is completely gone, leaving the skin feeling soft and smooth. In terms of hydration, I wasn't overly impressed. When my skin felt really parched, I sometimes applied several layers over the course of the evening instead of just one, which worked very well. Due to its fast absorbance, it would work equally well during the day, especially when you want lightweight hydration during the warmer months. Looking at the ingredient list, there's glycerin as humectant, as well as a few silicones and squalane as emollient. Instead of regular water, the brand is known for using what they call highly concentrated hydrogenized mineral water. I'm not entirely sure what the hydrogenized is supposed to be, but the use of mineral water has shown benefits, especially when it comes to sensitive skin. The more interesting part is the added tranexamic acid to target hyperpigmentation, beta-glucan for soothing, and the lactobacillus ferment lysate, a postbiotic, and probably what they refer to when they say sleeping microbiome on the top. Oh, and the added tryptophan. Tryptophan is an amino acid that in the body is a precursor to serotonin, which controls your mood and sleep. I doubt that applying it to the skin has any effect in that regard, but I appreciate a sleep-related amino acid in a sleeping mask. It is just a nice touch. Fun fact, tryptophan is why you drink hot milk with honey to get sleepy. The combo is rich in that amino acid and boosts your serotonin levels. It is fragranced and contains limonene and linalool, both of which have irritating potential. So, although I still haven't figured out what makes this an overnight mask instead of a gel moisturizer, I really enjoy using it and would recommend it for oily yet dehydrated skin. The Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask claims to gently slough away dead skin cells for smooth and supple lips in the mornings. It is available in a variety of flavors. Or is scent the correct term here? The first one they came out with being berry. Now there is caramel, apple, chocolate, vanilla, sweet candy, gummy bear, peppermint, mango, and the one I have, grapefruit. Grapefruit doesn't smell like a real grapefruit, but much sweeter. Grapefruit with sugar maybe, so not as citrusy as I had imagined. It is peachy pink in color, just like the packaging, but doesn't add any color to the lips. The texture feels a little waxy, but is easy to distribute with the warmth of your finger and adds quite a bit of shine. Although it is called a lip sleeping mask, it's perfectly fine to use throughout the day as well, even if you don't nap. The texture means it stays on the lips though, forming a protective layer that keeps moisture from evaporating, but also leaving a film that transfers to your glass. I don't mind that and often wear it during the day when I'm at my desk typing away, but it is not great if you want to put it on right before you apply lipstick, as the thick texture means that would slide off. Just like you would expect, the formula is made up mainly of waxes and emollients, mainly synthetic, but with squalane and coconut oil added to the mix. As humectant, you will find glycerin, and then there's vitamin C, but probably very low in concentration. A variety of plant extracts, and of course, looking at the color and the scent, colorants and fragrance including limonene, citral, and linalool, which are known irritants that often appear as part of essential oils. I'm not sure what is supposed to slough off dead skin cells. I would expect it's something with exfoliating properties for that, and I can't find anything that fits that description on the ingredient list. Overall, it is a great product that keeps the lips soft and hydrated during the night, so it will earn a permanent place on my bedside table or in my purse, but maybe in another flavor. Sweet candy is calling my name. If there's anything you would like to add, please do so in the comments below. I'll link to more videos you might find interesting on the screen, and add links to my Instagram, blog, and Patreon account in the description box. See you soon. Bye!